Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Dr. Marlene Street Forrest will be confirmed with the Order of Jamaica, one of the highest orders in the land, by Governor General Sir Patrick Allen on October 20. I quote, "I am very humbled to be so honored. I have worked hard for the betterment of Jamaica and the people, but did not do so for any honor. I will continue to work for the good of Jamaica on whichever platform I'm on. I will work to make sure Jamaicans succeed," Dr. Forrest stated to R Today. Street Forrest has been leading the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE for the last 23 years, first as General Manager, then as Managing Director. For her, this award is the icing on the cake, given that she intended to retire in December of last year, but remained at the helm while a search continues for her replacement. Through her leadership, the JSE was, in 2015 and 2018, designated the best performing stock market in the world. Street Forrest credits the award to her team at JSE, family, and friends. For the trading period ending August 7, 2028, these were the most actively traded stocks. International distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited with 6,753,901 units traded, representing 40.62% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,592,337 units traded, representing 15.59% of market sales volume. Caribbean Financial Conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited with 1,579,193 units traded, representing 9.5% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 7, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $66.98 million purchased and US $61.42 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.03 per dollar, selling the US at $161.25 and buying the US at $159.22. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 87 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.74 and buying at $116.87. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.14 in profits, with selling at $214.57 and buying at $212.43. For our credit report tip of the day, credit rebuilding is a test of patience and persistence. It asks you to show up month after month, even when the scoreboard barely moves. But what's happening in the background is powerful. Your financial reputation is being restored, your access to opportunities is expanding, and your future self is gaining the freedom to say yes to the things that matter most. Even if every dispute takes 30 to 60 days, the results are worth it. You get access to business capital, more financial options, stronger negotiating power, and confidence in your future. When you are building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, recovery after the age of 45 as a professional woman is a strategic rebuild, not a rescue mission. For professional women, the journey often means unlearning bad money habits, reworking credit, pitching projects, and navigating rejection. It's less about starting over and more about repositioning yourself for sustainable success. Why is the work important? Because the benefits are important. Now you stop asking for permission. You become the CEO of your life. You see results that reflect your resilience, and you finally live in alignment with your purpose and your purse. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.